Welcome back. Have a little bit of a late upload today. So we're looking at ESHA on its move yesterday. Okay, so we had ESHA moving up in the morning, up around 7:15 in the morning. I'm recording this on the 1st, but it actually was yesterday that this was popping up, the 31st. So you can see that it was holding this support line that I drew. I drew this fairly early on, but it kept tapping there until the MACD went negative, and then it broke below, came up to retest it, and then failed. After that, it just went sideways for a while. And then when we look at the topping tails and just the high points in general, you can see that they followed a pretty significant trend there. Both of those trend lines proved fairly valid. You have to note, though, the stock moved up on very light volume in the beginning, so it's definitely harder to tell what's going to happen when it's on light volume like that. So when you look at it a little bit later, around 8-9 a.m., it was selling off, but it was still holding up pretty good. And I like to see that, because when it sells off completely and completes a round trip, it's not great for the stock. At the open, it immediately halts up, and then it goes right back down, up and down movement for a while here. And then a bit later, looks like around 10:15, it reaches a couple new highs there, broke that previous high of 24.72. So definitely like to see it. So where I'm drawing where this triple top happened here, it looks like when it finally broke, it broke on some pretty significant volume, and then it went on to make that new high of 27, which is pretty cool to see. After that, though, then it just ended up selling off a bit later in the day. Nothing significant.